If you're using packaged stuffing because you think making your own is too hard, you're doing it all wrong. People think using packaged stuffing is a shortcut for Thanksgiving, but making your own is actually way easier than you think. Packaged stuffing comes out gluey, pasty, you don't even know what's in it, and it just tastes like salt. It's all wrong. Now I'm going to show you the right way to make homemade stuffing using CHOW.com's basic stuffing recipe. You're only going to need 4 main ingredients: onion, apple, celery, and bread. Cut those into bite-sized pieces, and then saute your onions in butter. When they start to brown, throw in your apples and celery. Cook those until they're tender, and then pour in some chicken stock. The best thing about this recipe is you can customize it if you want to. You can add herbs like thyme or sage, cooked sausage, nuts, dried fruit, anything your family likes. Mix everything in your pan with your prepped bread cubes, pour your stuffing mixture into a buttered baking dish, and bake it at 375 until the top just starts to turn golden. It should be around 30 to 40 minutes. If you've done all these things right, you can serve your family a delicious homemade stuffing. It will have a great texture, and you'll know every ingredient that went into it.